Hello, Lego figure collectors. That's obviously not a fitting Lego character for these little Meng World War II tanks. This is Boba Fett if you've been living under a rock. So I got to thinking, if Boba Fett looks around that tall next to these Meng tanks, maybe I could find some army characters. And so I did, but they're not official logos. They're like knockoffs. They're like fake Legos, but they look the same size as Legos. So let's check these out. As usual, I got this stuff from AliExpress, no affiliation. So buy this stuff wherever you want. Or don't buy it at all. Alright, so you gotta put this little guy together. Pop in this arm here. Pop in this arm here. Well, I gotta say, the plastic seems fine. Well, it hasn't broken yet. The legs articulate just like a Lego. So it's essentially a cheaper Lego, right? Obviously, there's no Lego branding. Every real Lego actually has Lego molded into it, the actual word. Alright, so we have a helmet here, and then we can pop on a little visor, which will be kind of cool. Yeah, that's really neat. Look at that. Hold on, let me hit focus. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Alright, and then we got the good old hands here. Pops in. Pops in. Come on. Be curious if these things break. Leave a comment if these fake ones are like a lower grade plastic. Or it's just that Lego charges so much. I actually have a collection of Lego figures, maybe like, I don't know, 40 or 50 of them. If you're really interested, leave a comment and maybe I'll review them, or just show off the collection, not really review them. So anyhow, it's nice to see that, like real Legos, you got tampo printing. They're not stickers, they're not decals, it's literally paint. So this should be proved to be quite durable. So that's a tank driver, I guess, you know, with this helmet and visors. What is this character? I ordered these like well over a month ago. That's one of the downfalls of AliExpress. It takes a long time for this stuff to show up. So this guy seems pretty angry. And same helmet it looks like. I guess it's just the same character with different colors. Like a desert commander kind of a character here. And this character's wearing gloves, I would have to assume. These are supposed to be leather gloves. It's interesting that the wrist is actually angled down. I guess, yeah, maybe that's just the way Legos are. I never really paid attention to it. It's not just a straight shaft, it's actually angled. So let's see the differences. Well, yeah, it's a slightly different badging there. This guy's got boots, this guy's got shoes, or they're covered by pants. The helmet's pretty much the same. Yeah, the shirt graphics are quite different. Pant graphics are different. Alright, well, yeah, it's quite different, so I'm cool with that. And let's see now if we can get them into a Meng tank. The Wolverine here, I think that's a good one, so yeah, let's pop this. I guess it works. I mean, you know, I guess if you remove the legs, then you do this, right? Or I wonder if even it'll fit with the legs. I think it just stands too tall. Looks a little weird. That's a little too casual. Well, I guess you can get him into this tank here. This glue, like with the doors shut, the hinges are so fragile. I don't think it would have fit anyways. That hatch is too small. This is clearly not going to work here. It poses pretty well with the side, you know, by the side, height-wise. Let's see what other ones. Here's a KV1, but nope, too big as well. So let's see. I think that's really all I can do. It's just only the Wolverine is going to fit. So we can compare it to some other toy figures. So here's a Toy Story character by Bandai. Here's a different type of Toy Story set. I don't know who made these though. I think it's probably Bandai also, just a different type of line, of different wave or something. This is also by Bandai, called Block and Junior. I think it's from a franchise called Kinnikunaman. but it looks like a military sergeant or something. Alright, and then, what else do I have? I got this girl, I don't even know what it is. I think it's called a Nendoroid, something. She actually was a crocodile. I cut off the crocodile tail and then painted the butt with some putty beforehand. So it looks like an army character. She's quite big though. And the very last one, well, we got these well, they're not knockoffs. They're just like miniature action figures. So this is what I was using before, but unfortunately not in this tank. So that's actually a little bit more realistic, but you know, being cartoon tanks, I actually think I prefer the Lego more, if not any of these other cartoon characters. Yeah, so you might want to have like a Lego base. So I guess for me, this one's a little bit maybe too big with these small light tanks here. But everyone else, I think, works pretty well if you're going to display stuff. So you can look up Bandai soldier figures, Bandai Blockin, and then yeah, some sort of Lego. They're not listed as Legos though. Maybe they're listed as like building block figures or something on AliExpress. And I forget what these are listed as, so I apologize for that. But these came up as a search result for looking for Lego characters, so I'm sure you'll stumble upon them. Okay, well, quick review. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next military-related video. Bye.